Hi all, I want to design this login page. Here we used one login and email and password inputs. Let's jump into coding. I'm creating one page for login, twitter-login.html, and basic tags I'm adding. In the body, we can add some of the div tag. The main div tag I'm taking class for container, and inside we will have brand logo class, and one more class that we can have brand title. And title we can keep Twitter, and we can have one more div tag that we can take it as inputs. Inside we can have all the input fields. We can have email first, label, and label name should be email only, that we can take it as a capital letters, and input type should be email, and ID we can have email only, and placeholder dummy email I'm giving. And one more label we can take for password. Type should be password only. And then we can have button. Type should be submit. Button we can take login only. I'm adding one more anchor tag downside. I'm mentioning my name here. Yeah, let's jump into CSS part. Here I am importing one font family. So here we need to, I have copied one link, I'm pasting here. This font family name is Popin. For body, I'm giving some of the styles. Body, inside the body, I don't need a margin. I'm keeping as a 0, and width I'm taking as a 100 em, or the height as well I'm taking same. I'm add a background color. Some of the properties that I am adding. Now I'm giving styles for container. I'm giving style for brand logo. Height and width I'm setting same. For logo, I'm copying one link here. You can see. Just type it as well as it is. Margin I'm giving auto. So here Something I made mistake. Let's check. Instead of VW, we given VM. So two places you can change. Still, I need to do something here. In the container width, I kept it 35 pixel. It should be 350 pixel. Now it is proper. Now we can give styles for a brand title. Now I am giving style for inputs. And inside inputs we have label and input and button. For these three I am giving style. Now we can give style only for label. Margin I want 4 pixels. So I'm using this Speedo class. So for this specifically for this label, it means password. I'm giving margin top. For placeholder also, I'm giving some of the styles. Color it should be gray. And for input, I'm giving some of the styles. Now we can give style for button as well. And when I hover on button, I will give some of the styles. Now I'm giving style for anchor tag.